Straight duct. The easiest and quickest duct assemblies to produce are straight rectangular ducts. Every cut must start from the male shiplapped edge of the ductboard and work towards the female shiplapped edge. Climaver tools and climaver square ruler make the manufacture of these ducts much simpler because the ductboard does not need any guidelines written or masked on the ductboard surface. The climaver square ruler is actually used as the cutting guide. The red tool is used 3 times and the final cut is made with the blue tool.